In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Slack. We'll walk through the full process from inside Slack, and by the end, your Outlook calendar will be linked so you can see meetings and get reminders without leaving Slack. This is especially helpful if you live in Slack all day and don't want to keep switching back and forth to your calendar. First, open Slack on your desktop. On the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Apps. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll down a little in the sidebar. You can click on Apps itself or on Add Apps if that's what appears. This will open the app directory inside Slack. From here, you can either browse or use the search bar at the top. In that search bar, type Outlook Calendar. You're looking for the official Outlook Calendar app developed for Slack. Once you see it, click on it to open the app's details. On the Outlook Calendar app page, you'll see an option that says Add to Slack. Go ahead and click that. Slack will now show you a permissions screen. This screen explains what the Outlook Calendar app will be able to do, such as read your calendar events and send messages or notifications into Slack channels or as direct messages. Take a moment to quickly review these permissions so you're comfortable with what's being shared. When you're ready, click Allow. This is what gives the app permission to work inside your Slack workspace. After you've allowed the app in Slack, you'll be prompted to connect your Microsoft account. A new window or browser tab may open asking you to sign in to your Microsoft or work account that's associated with your Outlook calendar. Enter your login details as you normally would, and then follow the on-screen prompts. Microsoft will also likely show you a permissions page, similar to Slack's, explaining what access Slack will have to your calendar. Once again, review the information, then confirm by clicking Accept or a similar button. When the connection is complete, you'll be brought back to Slack, and the Outlook Calendar app should now be visible under your Apps section. From there, you can adjust notification settings, choose which calendar to use if you have more than one, and customize how and when you want reminders to appear in Slack. And that's it. Your Outlook calendar is now connected to Slack and ready to use.